Welcome to Green Pastures Farms, boys and girls. Today, I saw this man in half. Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Green Pastures Farms.
What's up, bitches?
I brought along a stray. He's about as confused as anybody else that comes in on these videos. Anyway, today we're going to be using the chainsaw, and hopefully he does not wind up getting hurt in any way, or I get hurt in any way. Anyway, so we're going to be taking out some fruit trees. I got a pear tree and an apple tree that need to be taken down. There's a dead bird right there.
Oh.
Anyway, we're going to get to work. Okay, so while traveling to our trees that are right there, I decided to let an inexperienced
Hello.
I'm
I'm a new farm boy now. What do you want to park this?
kind of just stop it right there in front of the pear tree. Anyway, so we're gonna rip out this one. Alright, so yes, you got to drive a tractor for the first time. Pull!
Look at that man go. Our hero. Destroying Mother Nature. Perfect. Now John is going to go drag it off into the bush. John has just put that tree in the fire, so we will let it burn. Alright, John is now going to try to push down this apple tree. As you can see from, you can see that tree. And the ramming, I don't believe it's going to go good. Well, maybe. John is now pulling the second tree into that fire.
So, those 2 trees, fairly simple to get out with that machine, which was surprising. I'm shocked that that last tree that we did actually came out that easily, but it happened. So we're gonna go I'm gonna go tear out a sapling that's on the other side of my hay barn, since it's up against the building. I'm not going to charge at it full speed with the big green machine.
No, it will.
Instead, I'm going to use this. So hopefully no one gets hurt in this process. Okay, so update. The chainsaw will start, but the thing is the chain won't move. So not cutting today, at least with that thing, and I don't think I want to use an axe, because why work harder? So I'm just gonna stop. Yes, that will be it. I'm not gonna rip up these oats out here, all this nice green, just to rip up a tree that's not hurting anything. But the beautification of one side of a barn that I gotta get that starter rebuilt. But anyway, so I'm gonna see what else we can do around here. I don't know if I think this may be it for today. Maybe. Who knows? I wasn't thinking that those trees would take me very long. Hi guys, kind of forgot to do an outro for today's video, so here I am doing it now. So special thanks to Samuel Taylor as well as Clay Gregory for putting up with us for the past few videos. You can follow both of them on Instagram. Samuel is at SamuelTaylor6692, and Clay's is Greg Klaber. There's an underscore in between Greg and Klaber. Don't ask me. And thank y'all for watching. Follow us on the Instagram. Both those people will be tagged in the subsequent posts in which they were involved. And y'all know the drill. You know, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, go to comments and talk to me. And yeah, follow us on the Instagram too. Link to that will be in the description, as always. So, I will see y'all in the next video. We'll probably go into another hiatus here soon until either soybeans need to be planted, or I may do some hauling videos. Maybe. Just depends on what prices are looking like and if I can get a dump truck started. So, once again, we may go on another month or so long hiatus until some things start ramping up around here. Once again, we're in the springtime, and I've got most of the work done for right now. So anyway, just again, hit me up on Instagram if you want anything reseeded. I do yards and pasture land. Just buy the seed, and I'll do it. No trouble at all. And that'll be it for today's video. Anyway, also 75% of my viewership not subscribed. You know, it really helps me a lot if y'all subscribe. You know, not to sound pushy or anything, but come on, guys, subscribe, please, please. Anyway, I will see y'all in the next video. Lord knows when it will be. Anyway, goodbye.